My name is Chris C, and I am just a massive adventure enthusiast. So Go Auto and Team Ford had lent me the Ford Escape 2018 over here just for an entire month to take out on my adventures. And I covered about 6,700 kilometers in this thing. Everything from heading down to Waterton National Parks to going to Kananaskis, doing some cross-country skiing, and just heading out with my dog and a couple of friends just out for some fun adventures out in the mountains and stuff like that. So I picked up this vehicle about 2 days before I'd taken this massive trip out to Waterton National Park. Drove down there and realized that there was a massive snowstorm. So ended up just playing around the park. The whole place was just shut down entirely. So I actually just ended up jumping down in some giant snow piles and just having fun with this thing. I mean, it's been an amazing vehicle. I'd like to lead you through a whole bunch of features that I really absolutely love about this car. That 60-40 split in the back of your vehicle, perfect, right? I mean, you fit the dog in the back and sort of flip down the side, fit some cross-country skis in there, and still have the ability to put 3 or 4 people in that vehicle. So it's nice and large, great size vehicle for anyone that's looking at urban and also sort of road adventures and stuff, right? The other side too, My Ford Pass. I mean, this is an app that you're using on your phone that can tell when you want to start your vehicle, the amount of gas that you have, and whenever you need to do any type of servicing in your vehicle. That's a huge plus for someone that's just sort of like not necessarily attached to the vehicle all the time. And then of course, it's cold outside. It's about minus 26. This is middle of January and stuff, so having the ability to turn on the vehicle at a touch button start, fantastic. Other side though, that heated steering wheel. There's nothing like holding a cold steering wheel in minus 26 degree weather when you're just commuting back and forth. That thing warms up so quickly, you'll have no problems whatsoever feeling as if you're in that car at home and just want to drive around forever. So I generally drive a subcompact car. It's a Honda Fit, and I'm pretty sure at least it's comparable in mileage to this Ford Escape, which is a full-size SUV. You know, it's 11.2 liters per 100 kilometers is what it's essentially got through 6,700 kilometers. So I mean, that average is amazing if you are looking at both urban driving, so like driving in the city, and also driving out in the mountains and everything. When you're out in the mountains, one of the amazing part about the nav system that's in the Ford Escape is you're still able to track down exactly where you want to park if it's out in the parks and you're out of cell range. You also have the speed limit at every point in time, so you can look down while you're navigating and not really have to worry about getting caught by the police for speeding.